Today we are going to start class 5th subject computer chapter 2 managing text and stylish in MS Word 2010. First we will mark the difficult words over here. Format painter, home, turn your page, subscript, superscript, replace, headers, footers, insert, portrait, landscape, calibri, so this is your difficult words and you have to do this difficult words in your copy. Now come to Phillips. Dash tool is used to copy formatting from existing text to another text. Format painter, F-O-R-M-A-T, format, P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter, format painter. A dash or dash is a number or letter that is smaller than the normal font size. Subscript or superscript, S-U-B-S-C-R-I-P-T. Subscript and S-U-P-E-R-S-C-R-I-P-T. Superscript. Dash specifies the direction of a layout document. Orientation, O-R-I-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. Next, dash contains many categories of built-in images. Clip art, C-L-I-P, clip, A-R-T, art. Turn your page. Now, true false. Images cannot be created in either in a Word document. False. The user can create their own style. True. Next, text box is a shape that contains editable text. False. There are 4 options under shapes, style, group. False. Now choose the correct options. This describes the vertical orientation of the document. Portrait. Second, this is a shape that contains editable text. Text box. Next, this option provides outline to the shape draw. Shape outline. Now, question number B. Question number B you have to do after your difficult words. Do in copy. First question. What are the headers and the footers? Now look the answer. Headers and the footers are applied to very lengthy documents. For easy follow-up, text and images can be inserted as a header and a page number can be inserted as a footer. The given information will appear on all the pages of the document. It's the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. What do you understand by the term page orientation? Question number 2nd answer. Orientation or page orientation specify the direction of the layout of the document. The 2 types of orientation are portrait and landscape. Now question number 3rd. What is a subscript? Answer. A subscript is a number or a letter that is smaller than the normal font size. Subscript is set below the normal text. Now, question number 4. Write the steps to insert a picture in a Word document. Answer number 4. The steps to insert a picture in a Word document are: first step, open a Word document. Second option, select second step, select insert tab and click picture button. For illustrations group, a dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the desired picture from the location and click insert button. Here we will finish our question answers. Once again I am showing you the question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and the question number 4. First write your chapter name. After chapter name you have to write your difficult words. Those we have taken now only. After difficult words you have to write the question answers. And I am showing you the exercise work again. This is your exercise and you have to do your exercise in your textbook only. The fill-ups over here. After fill-ups, true false, choose the correct options. After completing your work, learn your exercise and question answers. Thank you.